In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to enable the daily screen time feature in the TikTok app. Be sure to watch to the end to make sure everything goes smoothly. And don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And now, let's dive into the work. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap on the icon with 3 lines to open the menu and then select Settings and Privacy. Once in the Settings menu, scroll down the page until you find Screen Time. At the top of the screen, you will find the Daily Screen Time feature. Simply click on it to continue. On the next page, you will see the Set Daily Screen Time option. Select one of the preset options such as 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour and 30 minutes, 2 hours, or select Custom Time to set your own limit. If you choose Custom Time, simply enter your desired duration and click Done to save your changes. And that's it, you have successfully enabled the Daily Screen Time feature in TikTok. Going forward, TikTok will notify you if you reach your daily screen time limit. If you have any questions about this tutorial, ask them in the comments below. And don't forget to click the like button if this video was helpful for you. Stay tuned for further tutorials and until next time, happy scrolling in TikTok!